Hello, welcome back to this tutorial. Today we're gonna learn how to make the flower hair accessory, and you will need 12 oval pieces of fabric, and 6 of them you will also need interfacing or canvas, as some people call it. Iron the canvas onto the 6 little pieces, then put the pieces together, right sides together. Then sew all around each double piece with interfacing, but remember to leave a little room for turning them to the right side. So when you're done stitching all of them, you can turn them to the right side out. And then after you're done turning them, remember to top stitch each and every one of them, all 6 of them. When you're done, iron so that they're nice and flat and neat. When you're done ironing, you will need needle and thread, which you will use to join the 6 pieces together, as you can see in the video. And that's what you'll have when you're done joining them. Then when they're all joined together, you will need beads in the middle. I put 3 rather large beads to make it look more like a flower. Then when you're done, you'll have this little clip attached to the back of the flower. It's very easy. And then when you're done, you can use it as a hair accessory. If it was a little smaller, you can attach a brooch spin instead of the hair clip, and then have a brooch. So there you have it. Very simple. Thank you for watching, and please remember to subscribe and click on the notification bell so that you can be notified every time we have a new video out. And then like the video and remember to share. And once again, thank you so very much for watching.